Is your car stuck in the garage because the door is not opening? Maybe you're late to work and you really don't have time for this. You don't want to try to figure out why it's not opening, you just want the thing open, and then you'll deal with this when you come home. Let me help you out. Let's go inside real quick and I'll show you how to open it manually. Most garage doors are going to have a red pull string like this. This is the emergency release. If you pull on this red string, that disconnects it, which essentially makes your garage door a manual garage door instead of an automatic one. And once you have the trolley disconnected, you can lift your garage door manually like you would any old school garage. Ah, free at last. And of course, the next logical question is, after you do this, how do you undo it? So let me show you how to do that too. Did you see how fast that garage door closed? Keep in mind that when the trolley is not connected, nothing is restraining it, so if you let it go, it's just gonna drop. So I kinda had to keep holding it as it kept going down, otherwise it would just smack against the floor and maybe do some damage. To reconnect this thing back to the track and the chain so it automatically opens again, simply take this rope, the red string, and pull it back towards the door of the garage. You should hear a click, which I'm not hearing. In that case, this means that this trolley is not going back far enough. So what I can do is try to press down on the garage door and swing this thing back. Just push it back while you're pulling on the rope. You should hear a click when it locks back in place. And to check that you have it locked back in place, simply give it a tug. If the garage door is not opening, then you know that you latched it back on successfully. I hope this video helped you out and you were able to untrap your car. And since you made it all the way to the end of this video, let me leave you with 2 fun little comics to help brighten up your day after this garage door trouble.